It's morning and it is a very nice day out. It is, and I am wearing shorts. It's very nice. And I felt like doing a potty video, and I actually have to go to school in about 13 minutes, so I gotta make this quick. So this is Amber, guys. Sorry this is backwards, but you'll be able to still see the potty. Doesn't matter much about. This actually glows. Let's see if I can make it do that right. Alright. You can kind of see it's orange. Yeah, it's orange. So that's our Amber. Gotta try to make this. And then we have a Krypton. And we're gonna have to alright. And then this you can really see good. It's a green. And then a lizard lips. And it's green. And it will turn yellow, but I don't think I have the time to do that right now. And I gotta find my... Oh, there it is. Alright. And then we have a sunburst. And it's orange, but it will turn yellow, but I don't have the time to do that. And then there's from the Mix by Me kit, the tiger. It's orange. It's really cool. I can get this stuff out. Alright. It's pretty sweet. And so that's tiger. And then we have ATI, and these tins are actually smaller than the actual mini tins. They're actually 1.5 inches instead of 2 inches. And yeah, this is ATI. It used to be called Valentine, and I felt like calling it ATI because that's what my dad's work's name is, and it's pretty sweet. Awesome. Yeah. Got stuck outside. I hate that. And guys, please tell me in the comments below if you like when the putty gets stuck to the top of the tin, because I hate it. And then this is Aqua Avalanche. It's so shimmery. It's pretty sweet. And then this one's called Mom and Dad, and I called it Mom and Dad because when I got this kit, my mom and dad were on a cruise and I missed them, so I did Mom and Dad. And so it's pink and red because pink's my mom's favorite color and red's my dad's favorite color. And then I made it yellow because in Florida and those places it's pretty hot. And then that's it for Mom and Dad. And then last but not least, boogers. Booger. I like it. And then this is really awesome. It's like sparkly, so it looks like really weird. So yeah, that is it for this video, and that's it for this video. And subscribe, like, and oh, there's a booger. Sorry, that's kind of embarrassing, but no, I'm just kidding. That was some booger. And yeah, so subscribe, like, and thanks for watching. See you.